everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to find saved videos on YouTube. First of all, open your YouTube app. Then choose a video that you want to watch.
It's warning me that
When watching a video, scroll to the options below the video and select Save. If Save option is not available, then tap on the three dots. By default, the video will be added to the Watch Later playlist unless you assign it to a custom playlist. Now close the video after saving. Tap the library icon located in the bottom right corner of the YouTube app. Depending on your app version, this icon might also say You. Scroll down to the playlist option. In your library, for the playlist named Watch Later, which is the default playlist for saved videos, tap on Watch Later to view all videos saved there. If you saved the video to a different playlist, go to the playlist section and then tap on View All option. Scroll through your playlist and tap on the one where the video was saved. Now locate your video in that playlist. And that's how you can find saved videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.